In this easy guide, I will show you how to check if a Samsung phone is original or fake in 2025. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. First, go to your phone settings. Scroll down and you'll see the About Phone option. Press on that. Now listen carefully and follow each step. On the About Phone page, you will see IMEI slot 1 and IMEI slot 2 numbers. The IMEI number can help you check whether a Samsung phone is original or fake. You can verify it by entering the IMEI on Samsung's official website or other trusted IMEI checker sites. If it's valid, the phone is most likely original. We'll be checking through Samsung's official website. Now press and hold on one of the IMEI numbers to copy it. Then open your browser. In the search bar, type Samsung product registration. The very first result will be Samsung's official website. Go there. The website will automatically take you to your country's Samsung page. Press Go to Site. Once you're on the page, at the top, you'll see the account icon. If you're not signed in yet, you'll need to sign in first. After signing in, press the 3 lines menu. Scroll down and press on the My Products section. On the My Products page, scroll down again. You'll see a Register button. Press on that. If the website asks for permission, just allow it. Now you'll see a field asking for the serial number or IMEI. Simply paste the IMEI number you copied earlier into the input box. Then press the check button at the bottom. Now you can see that it says this product is already registered, which means the Samsung phone is original. If the phone is fake, then what happened? Don't worry, I'll explain that too. But first, quickly like the video and leave a nice comment. If your phone is real but not yet registered, the website will allow you to register it now. But if the phone is fake, it will show an error like wrong format or IMEI not valid. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.